All right, my brother and I are just saying goodbye to our parents. Look how empty South Bend Airport is. So this is the difference between Chicago. All right, guys. Love you guys. Love you. We'll see you guys in less than 2 weeks.
Yeah, be safe.
All right, love you guys.
Love you.
So we're inside the airport. I almost feel like I need to whisper just because it feels like I'm in a library. There's like no one here and it's super quiet. All right, so we just got our tickets. Pretty easy. We got 3 of them. We're on our way to Charlotte. And now they charge you to book seats if you want to select your seats before the flight. And we didn't do that because I think an extra, like, I don't know what it is. I didn't even look at it, it's like $25. So we weren't for certain to sit by each other, but we did get 3 of our tickets, and we are. So that's one good thing. So here we are at the check-in. We'll check in and be on our way. But look at that, not many lines at all. So we're a couple hours early, and for South Bend, I don't think you need to come too early, but we are here at least 2 hours early. Here's some food. This was a brand new water bottle. I did have to drink it or throw it away before we got on the flight, so now I'm well hydrated and there should be a place to refill. But we're just gonna wait here for a couple hours and then we'll get on the plane to Charlotte. So here's pretty much the amusement at our airport. There's not really much going on here. There's some massage chairs. You can get a 5-minute massage for $5 or half hour, I think, for $15. Here comes our airplane. We'll be boarding that as soon as they probably clean it out. Hello.
I know. It's not a great one to see it. I know. I'm sorry. Same 3. 2. 1. Maybe it's 15.
All right, so Charlotte's airport is bigger than South Bend's. Here's like the little middle area. Little store. All right, here's our lunch and dinner and probably breakfast. Some different kind of nuts, some raisins, craisins maybe, and an apple. So this is what goes on at the airport around 11:30 or midnight. We still have about 5 more hours to go. They're changing the light bulbs right now. You can't even see them, they're way up there. All right, so it's about midnight right now. I got some long underwear, tops and bottom. I'm looking for a restroom to change. We're gonna try to sleep a little bit. We still have like 5 or 6 more hours, but it's freezing cold and I have a long sleeve shirt and pants on. Want to put some long underwear on to warm up a little bit. I'm looking around for a decent place to sleep. You can see all these seats have arms. Sometimes at airports they have the kind that don't have arms and you can lay down. So far, I haven't really found a decent place to sleep. We'll probably end up just laying on the ground. That's probably the best bet. But it's freezing cold. It's not gonna get any warmer. It's about 12 a.m., 12:30 a.m. And this is the noise that we're listening to right now. We got a vacuum cleaner, and then some kind of alarm just went off. They're fixing or they're changing the light bulbs. Maybe some kind of alarm went off on accident. I don't think we're gonna get much sleep tonight. So we're not sure what happened, but we do see lights going on outside with the alarm still going. Alright, we're gonna try to go someplace a little bit more quiet. This room is getting a lot of action. Alright, so it's about maybe 2 o'clock in the morning. It's definitely more quiet now. The fire trucks went away. This is where we're gonna sleep. I'm just gonna sleep on the floor for a little bit, and then our plane takes off at 5:15, and then we go to Miami, and then eventually to South America. My brother's sleeping there. I'm gonna fall asleep here. Alright guys, so I found where I'm gonna sleep. It's right on the ground here. It's really not so bad. So these are your friend. I got some earplugs. And then something for my eyes. So I'm gonna try to get a few hours of sleep. Then we have one more flight, and then we'll be on our way. So we'll see you guys in the morning maybe.